And we have arrived. Oh, we're here. Oh wait, this is cute. Hello, little table, the bed.
It is. I look like a fine house.
It does. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
We made it to Disney! Oh, I'm so excited. We made it to Disney. This is the little surprise trip that we were going on that I feel like you could have guessed by when I was saying like, oh, we're going on a little trip, not too far from here, but we are in Disney. We are in the hotel right now. We showed up around 11 and we were like, hey, can we get early check-in? Like, you know, what's the situation? And they asked us what floor we want to stay on, and they had a room ready, so here we are. It's so cute. You saw it when I walked in, but I'm officially starting a vlog now, so hi, good morning. If you're new, hi, I'm Jill. I have not been to Disney in 7 years. It's my boyfriend's first time in Disney, so it's a very exciting trip. We got the whole first visit pin and everything, obviously. We're just excited. So it's about noon right now. So we're gonna walk through the hotel and get one of the buses. Our first day is Epcot. I think I'm filming 3 different days because I feel like these vlogs could get kind of long. I really want you guys to be able to like enjoy each day and it be like more detailed. I'm excited. I haven't been to Disney in so long. We're here 3 days, 2 nights. So this is day 1. We're doing Epcot. Little outfit I'm gonna show you before we head out. Shirt is TJ Maxx. Pants are from Target. I got these like for $10 on sale. They're very like silky and comfy. That was the goal because Florida gets hot, but like I'm fine with these. They're so breathable. And then I have these like big chunky black sneakers on from TJ Maxx. So this is the fit. Belt bag, Lululemon. So the black, you know, gotta match everything. And then black sunglasses, big chunky sunglasses. So that's the plan for today. We are gonna hit all the rides first before we do the whole drinking around the world situation. We gotta hit all the rides. We have to do as many as possible. We are arriving a little later than like the other days we're gonna go just because we had to drive here from West Palm. And then we have dinner in, I think, Mexico. I think that's where we have dinner reservations tonight at like 8:30. So we have 8.5 hours until dinner. So I think we should have time for a few things. Tomorrow is Magic Kingdom and then we finish off with Animal Kingdom. So yeah, welcome to the Disney vlog. Let's get to it. Trying on a hat in a little gift shop. That's actually so cute. I might come back for this. Oh, I can wear this to Animal Kingdom. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the ball. Look at it. We're here. I am so excited.
Scan your ticket. Place your finger flat. Wait for that green light.
Thank you. First ride. Thank you.
Sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, with your hands, slow moving jerk. Your time machine will slowly rotate back.
Our spaceship Earth.
Next stop is Test Track. I love Test Track. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for everything. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry if I spit on you, honey.
Put them all the time.
No, really? Oh, geez. Oh, goodness. This is gorgeous. Hello, Florida. frozen mojito. Cheers, your baby wine. Yeah. Thank you. Yum. And we ended up in Canada. I got some poutine fries. So good. And chicken. We just needed to eat. We needed something. Oh, and a frozen mojito. This thing is a slay. This is so good. Very happy about this. And get food in my belly. We've been waiting for an hour, but we're almost in Soarin. Now we're moving. Look how big.
Let's go left and right and left right only. Please make sure all items go and look up.
We never got to go here. One day. That was so much fun. You like it? It was a good one. I love that ride. Okay, so we've done how many rides? 3 rides so far. What's your favorite so far? Test Track, Soarin, and then the first one. I forget what that one's called. Not Mission Space. It's the other one.
I like that one for the educational stuff, but for something fun,
Yeah.
I have to say, it's
Really? Test Track. Because you like the exhilarating stuff.
I wish it was faster.
Yeah.
Falling faster.
Yeah, I get you. I think my favorite's Soarin. I think it's always going to be Soarin. So we have like a online reservation, right, for Guardians of the Galaxy. And we're going to do the seas while we're waiting. No. Thank you. No.
Let's go explore the big blue world.
I love this movie. You too? So then she'd go back.
Jellyfish for you.
Chaw. 119 to 126 and we're 147. So I think we have time for a few countries. And then we're going all the way back over to Guardians. So that's the new plan. Yeah? Do half the countries, even though we weren't going to do that. We're going to do half around the world, Guardians of the Galaxy, and then back over to the other side and eat dinner. Alright, here we go. Oh boy, this should be interesting. Alcohol, then a roller coaster. Alright, we've made it to Canada. Let's see UK. I don't know what's in there. Should we look?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Look at this.
Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I like this bag too. London. London. I love trying food from other countries. Caramel biscuits. Mars bars. Oh, Siren.
Look at this.
These are so good. Guinness everything. Look, we're in the UK. Yeah, it's a world. Look at this. Do you think the UK actually feels like this? You think so? Yeah? That's where we're going. We're going right to that pub to get a drink. Let's do it. 1 hour. So we have time. We have some time. Cheers to the UK. Love. That's so good. Very refreshing. Cute little tea garden. Little beers on the go. Yeah. Look, pomegranate, raspberry, strawberry. That's so cool. Oh, bonjour. See our guest. Look, Beauty and the Beast. Right there. Yeah. Struggling to finish the UK, but we're moving on to France. Honey, cheers. Got an orange one, and then we got a citron lemon one. Cheers to you, cheers to me. Oh my god, that tastes like a fucking cream skull. Wait, maybe I'll get a chicken kebab. We picked up a little snack for the boat because we have to head back over to Gardens of the Galaxy. Cheers, our boat drinks. Slay. Okay, we made it to the boat. Somehow, I found another beverage for us. Thank you. An alcoholic one, obviously. We're drinking around the world. We ended up talking to a very kind lady on the boat, but we are walking to Guardians of the Galaxy now. We had a queue time. It was over 300 minutes. We've been waiting since 1 p.m. It is almost 7 o'clock p.m. Right? 7 o'clock p.m. That's insane. But we made it to 4 countries drinking it around the made it to 4 countries around the world, right? We did Canada earlier, like that was during lunch. I had that mojito. So we got like a quick on-the-go beverage in Morocco. So after Guardians, we're gonna head back over to where we left off in the countries, right? We're gonna pick back up and we're gonna end in Mexico. Here we go. Virtual queue. That's it.
Remain seated. We will resume motion momentarily.
Where's that cake toast?
That was amazing. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. Thank you. I don't. This looks so cool in here. Okay, Guardians of the Galaxy was great. We'll talk about it later, but we're eating dinner now. We just grabbed some tacos, burrito bowl looking thing, and we're about to watch the fireworks at Epcot. We didn't make it all around the world because of the time. It's 8:30 already. There's not enough time, you know, with the long waits and everything. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna see what else we can do. I have a frozen margarita with me. So that's what, 5 countries out of 12.
We're gonna make it to this one.
We're gonna make it to 6. That's what we're doing. We're making it because the park closes at 9. We can do it. Yeah?